When every second counts, your AED has to be ready to perform. But is yours prepared for an emergency? In this video, brought to you by AED Market, we'll show you how to properly store and maintain your AED to ensure it's always ready to save lives and to last for years to come. Let's start with storage. Proper storage is crucial to protect your AED from damage and to ensure it works when needed. Keep your AED in a visible and easily accessible location such as a public area or near a first aid kit. Make sure everyone knows where it's located. If you store your AED in a cabinet, choose a ventilated one so air can circulate and keep the device in good condition. It's also important to label the cabinet clearly with signage so anyone can quickly find it during an emergency. Maintenance is just as important. Checking your AED regularly can be the difference between a life-saving device and one that fails to work. Always start by checking the battery. Most AEDs come with a battery indicator light that will show green if everything is fine or alert you if the battery is low. Some AEDs even run self-tests automatically and will sound an alarm or flash a warning light if there is an issue. You should also keep track of the expiration date on the electrode pads. Over time, the adhesive degrades and old pads might not stick properly to the patient's skin. Expired pads can reduce the effectiveness of the shock, which could be critical in an emergency. It's a good idea to perform monthly inspections of your AED. This can be a quick check to make sure there's no physical damage to the device, the battery is still charged, and the electrode pads are in good condition and have not expired. Many people forget this simple step, but it's vital to making sure your AED is always ready to go. Lastly, don't forget about software updates and product recalls. AED manufacturers periodically release updates to keep the devices aligned with the latest medical guidelines and best practices. These updates can improve the functionality of your AED or ensure it delivers a shock more effectively based on the latest research. You can easily miss a critical update, so it's smart to sign up for alerts or check with your AED provider regularly. Also, be aware of any recalls. Manufacturers may need to fix a part or issue an update to address a safety concern. By following these storage and maintenance tips, you can maximize your AED's lifespan and make sure it's ready to perform when needed. If you have any questions about your AED or need replacement parts, give us a call at 1-800-441-8378 or visit www.aedmarket.com. Thanks for watching.